Good morning, YouTube, and welcome to another edition of the Green Thumbs Garden Channel. I am indeed your host, The Lion Unleashed. Today is Thursday, October 17th, 2019, and we received a huge blessing this morning. We want to share that with you guys, and we also want to share what we intend to do with that blessing with you guys also. So hang tight. I'm going to spin this camera around and show you guys what that huge blessing was. And we're also going to show you guys exactly what we intend to do with that huge blessing over the winter months. Hang tight. All right, YouTube. So we had a local bakery here in Tifton, Georgia, donate a large number of both 5-gallon buckets and 2.5-gallon buckets to us here at the Green Thumbs Garden Channel, knowing that we do indeed have a gardening channel and we do grow produce and fruits here in our front and backyards here. One of the workers at that bakery actually passed by our house, saw what we were doing here, and thought that we could use these buckets. I'm going to swing this camera around right now and show you guys what I'm talking about, and then I'm going to take you up on our front porch and show you what we intend to do with those buckets during the winter months here at the Green Thumbs Garden Channel. Take a look at this, YouTube. Yeah. We have nearly 2 dozen 5-gallon buckets and 2.5-gallon buckets here. And we thought it was very nice of that bakery to donate these buckets to us. We've never grown anything in buckets here at the Green Thumbs Garden Channel, but seeing as how we do intend to do several overwinter growth experiments here at the Green Thumbs Garden Channel, we thought that we would use these buckets. And again, there's about 2 dozen of them. Yeah. All right, brother. And use these buckets to plant our Beauregard sweet potato vine cuttings that we harvested from Farmer G's planter over there roughly a week ago. We harvested those sweet potatoes from Farmer G's planter over there about a week ago. If you haven't seen that video, go down to our sweet potatoes playlist and check out all of our sweet potato videos in that playlist. We told you guys that we were going to attempt to grow Beauregard sweet potato plants in our greenhouse over the winter for a spring harvest. This will be a first-time experiment for us here at the Green Thumbs Garden Channel. We don't even know if it's possible, but we do know that we have about 4 months in between the time now that we're about to plant these sweet potato slips and February. So we're looking forward to harvesting these sweet potato plants. If we do indeed successfully grow sweet potatoes, we're looking forward to harvesting these plants in late February. At any rate, it was 6 days ago when we harvested these vine cuttings from Farmer G's Beauregard sweet potato planter over there, and they were rootless when we first harvested those plants. We put them in a pitcher of water here on our front porch, and in just 6 days, look at this, YouTube. We have a pitcher full of fully rooted Beauregard sweet potato slips. Again, we're going to plant these same slips in several of these 5-gallon buckets over here. We're going to drill some nice size holes in the bottom of these buckets, the one that we do intend to use. We're going to fill these buckets with a very loose mixture of potting, a very loose mixture of topsoil, cow manure, Miracle-Gro, raised bed soil, and gardening soil. Now that's the same mixture that we used over there in our 3-foot by 6-foot culture garden planter that we named Sweet Baby Red for the Beauregard sweet potatoes that we grew there. We planted those sweet potatoes there on March the 26th of this year, and we harvested those sweet potatoes on July 4th of this year. And if you haven't seen that video, also check out that video in our sweet potatoes playlist at the bottom of our home page here on YouTube. At any rate, we had a tremendous harvest from that planter over there, so we thought that we would use that same soil mixture to fill these buckets with, place these buckets inside of our greenhouse, and give those Beauregard sweet potato plants 4 entire months to grow during the winter here. And again, we do intend on harvesting these plants in late February and see if we were indeed successful in growing sweet potatoes in grow zone 8B during the winter months here. Again, about 2 dozen 5-gallon and 2.5-gallon buckets donated to our channel by a local bakery here. We thought that was a huge blessing. We wanted to share that with you guys this morning. I'm going to go ahead and get those buckets filled up with that soil. We have about 12.5 Beauregard sweet potato slips over there in that picture. We're probably only going to plant 1 slip per bucket and place in that in our greenhouse. We want the plants to have the maximum amount of growth space per plant. So instead of planting several slips per bucket, we're going to plant 1 slip per bucket, get them put in our greenhouse, and we'll bring you guys back for a video and show you what it looks like once we get that done and all set up. At any rate, YouTube, if you are indeed currently watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumbs Gardening channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family if you don't mind. Thanks. We really, really, really would appreciate it.
They call me picture perfect cause I perfect I fit. They know that if I'm on the microphone I'm dropping a hit. And I ain't got no legal problem.